You guys, we're gonna enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy it when you make it. So, dinner's ready, babe.
Great, I'm hungry.
Hey, hi, welcome to Amy Roloff's Little Kitten. I'm so glad you guys are here watching this video. You know, with spring and summer and the farmer's market, and a lot of times I just buy a lot of produce, and I feel so bad because sometimes I don't use them all the time because they go bad so quickly and I don't eat them quick enough, or I don't make something for Chris and I fast enough. But anyway, even in the wintertime or spring, summer, regardless of what time of year it is, I needed to make a salad at one dinner quite some time ago. And all I had in my refrigerator was green stuff, meaning no tomatoes, no carrots, no, like if I had leftover beets, chopping them up in a salad or something like that. Not even really white onion. Not even a red onion. All I had was green stuff. And I thought, well, why don't I just make a green salad? I'm not a big fan on like theme orientated stuff. I'm a much bigger fan on when you take a salad and you have just a few items in it. So I thought, well, how cool is this? I'll just create a green salad. And the one thing about this green salad is you can put whatever you want in it. The other thing about salads is you make as much as you need for that meal, or if you want leftovers. The only thing I would say is don't put the dressing on the salad if it's too much and you're gonna store it in the fridge. Because I think the salad dressing wilts and kind of like drowns out the salad and becomes wet and limpy and all this other stuff. So anyway, green salad. So that's what we're doing today in Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. We're making a green salad. Some of the items that I have here I got from the farmer's market. Some of the items I just had in my refrigerator. So I'll just tell you what I have. I have romaine lettuce. I have a few green onions. I have a zucchini. I've got a couple of Brussels sprouts. These are uncooked. I've got these really great things that I bought at the farmer's market. They're kind of like bean sprouts, but it's a mixed sprout mixture. I've got a little bit of arugula here and a little bit of spinach. I tell you, this is like power salad, I'm telling you. I have fresh green beans, and I parboiled this because, you know, raw green beans aren't any fun to eat. I think they're just too hard, too crunchy, and I particularly don't like that. I don't think anyone really does it anyway. So anyway, I cut up green beans, fresh green beans from the farmer's market, you know, cut them up in, you know, bite-sized pieces, and I parboiled them. Not to make them mushy, but make them palatable for a salad. So, yeah, still got a little crunch to it, but good. In fact, I'll tell you a little story. While I was getting ready for the salad, a friend of mine called me up and said, come outside. And I'm like, come outside? What do you mean, come outside? She had just bought a new car. Her and her husband had just bought a new car, and they drove by the neighborhood, so they wanted me to come out and see the car. I had the beans boiling in a pot over here. Of course, did I completely forget about it? Absolutely, because a friend called me. Of course I'm gonna go out and see the new car. And then when I came in, Chris says, oh, by the way, I turned off your green beans. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I completely forgot about that. I was so distracted. So I was so thankful that he was paying attention and turned off the green beans, and they turned out perfectly. So what it could have been a catastrophe ended up being really good. So anyway, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, green beans. And for a few herbs, I've got parsley, I've got a little basil, and I also have a little thyme. I think sometimes with a lot of greens, you know, herbs kind of create a flavor too. And for all of this, we're gonna make a really simple vinaigrette. I'm sure you have your own vinaigrette. I usually don't buy salad dressing at the store, unless it's ranch, because I got too lazy to make my own, or unless it's blue cheese dressing, because Chris really likes blue cheese dressing. So anyway, let's get going. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying it, and I would really appreciate it if you liked it and subscribed to it. And oh, don't forget to click that little bell up there, and you'll be notified of future videos that are new and coming on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for that. And I would really appreciate it if you shared the video and let other people know and encourage them to subscribe and like the videos as well. So anyway, thank you, and back to the video. Okay, so I'm back. I wanted to get all of my stuff prepped for the salad dressing. So we've got, I'm gonna call this my power salad, my power green salad, because there is so much goodness in here, and it can go with any meal, whether it be chicken, whether it be fish, whether it be beef, whether it be pork, or you can make this into a dinner salad. It all depends on what you have in your fridge. What is green in your fridge? So just as a reminder, I have zucchini in here, I have green beans, I have romaine lettuce, I have arugula, spinach, I've got some bean sprouts, mixed green sprouts. I have green onion, parsley, basil, thyme. So I think it's gonna be really, really good. So let's get going. And I went ahead and chopped up my avocado because I love avocado. I love avocado, and I love these little babies. This is garlic. So I got that chopped up. So in this I have, oh dear, I think I need a little bit more. I have about a half a cup of good olive oil. Use olive oil that's kind of light. That's best for salads. Just extra virgin olive oil, half a cup. And then I've got about a half of 1/4 cup of white wine vinegar. I didn't have champagne vinegar in my pantry, but I had white wine, so I'm gonna suffice with that. And what else do I got here? Okay, so I'm going to zest a little bit of lemon in here. If I had kale and broccoli in this salad, I would probably want a little more heartier of a dressing, and so I would go ahead and put, like, I don't know, maybe a teaspoon, depending on your taste level, of Dijon mustard. So let's just grate this lemon a little bit. Get some of that good flavor from the lemon zest. Am I getting it in there? Bring this a little closer to me. Okay, I think that's enough. I would have to say this is probably half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. This is a really good lemon because I can already tell that it's very squeezable. It's not a hard rind. So I'm just gonna squeeze it by hand. I hope I didn't get a seed in there. So I put lemon juice in here. Oh dear, I think I did. Let's use this little spoon. I guess I should have used my lemon zester. Sorry about that, I gotta get the seeds out. Here we go. You know what is so fun? I just bought these little spoons, and I thought they were so adorable. And I'm gonna use it a little bit, because when you just need a dash of salt or something like that, I think these little spoons are pretty nifty. Yeah, so anyway. So I probably have about, you know, an 1/8 cup or something like that of lemon juice in here. I'm gonna put the rest of the champagne vinegar in there. That'll be good, good stuff. I am going to go ahead and chop up my garlic. Now, you may only want 1 clove of garlic. I'm putting 1 big one, 2 little ones, so call it 2 cloves of garlic. But I love garlic. I love garlic in my sauces, when I make pasta dishes, depending on the soup. Not all soups should call for garlic, but I just love garlic. I think what I'm gonna have Chris and I do one time is I'm gonna make pizza. I'll show you guys. I'll do another video making pizza dough, and he has a pizza, I have a pizza, and we'll see what kind of pizza we come up for each other. Chris is my meat guy. He loves meat and potatoes. I tell everyone he's my Idaho man. Just reminds me of that for some reason. Okay, let's kind of mince this up. Because you don't want little big chunks in that. That's no fun to bite into, like a big chunk of garlic. It can be, woo. So I'm just gonna try and mash this up as great, as small as I can. Okay, I think that's good. We'll add that. So I'm putting 2 cloves of garlic in there. 1's plenty for most everyone else. I'm just a little different. So let's add in just a hint of salt. Let's say 1/4 teaspoon there. Let me get my ground pepper here. I like fresh ground pepper in salad dressings. Oh dear. Hang on. Oh, I think I grabbed the wrong one. I didn't have coarse salt in it. So freshly ground pepper. I think I might need a little more white wine. I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit. And if you think it's too tart, especially if you add a little lemon and the lemon zest to it, just add a pinch of sugar just to back off on some of that tartness. Okay, I'm gonna use the pepper one just so I can taste it. Oh, not bad. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more of white wine vinegar though. Because with the lemon juice and the white wine vinegar, you wanna come up with about 1/4 cup. I think that'll do it. Let me use this other spoon. Got too much salt on it. Ooh, I think that's pretty good. You know what? I don't think I need any sugar to it. I think I've got some good dressing on it. So I'm gonna clean up my mess here, and hopefully Chris will come over because I think we're ready to eat. Okay, one thing I forgot to tell you guys, because I don't know, there is something about Parmesan cheese, and I hope to God I said that right. For some reason, I get so hung up on Parmesan, but I think it's Parmesan. Parmesan Reggiano. Oh dear. Anyway, I don't know why I get so tongue-tied on that word. I should know it. So we're done with our salad. We're gonna get ready to dress it up. I don't have avocado on it because often avocado will turn brown after you mix it in there and dressing and eat it later. So I'm gonna have Chris spoon on what he'd like. So let's just pour on. And I probably made more salad dressing than I need, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit on before I kind of mix it up. Just kind of really wanna make sure I get some of that garlic in there. Okay, here we go. You just wanna wet the salad. I'm gonna take that spoon out of the, oh yeah, here's some garlic. I don't like a ton of dressing on my salad because I don't want it to drown the salad. I just want it to add a little bit of flavor and just kind of coat, just a little bit of wetness to it. And then just toss it a little bit. Make sure all your veggies get coated and everyone gets to, you know, kind of join the party here. All right. Make sure I get some of those veggies from the bottom up on top so everyone can have a little taste of everything. Okay. So, hey Chris, want to join the party? This is green salad. I'm going to call it my power green salad. So, Chris, this is my power green salad.
So it'll make me strong.
Yes, yes, it'll make you strong and give you a little bit of energy, and it's gonna be good for this body. So anyway, here's the green salad. We got chicken, potato salad. I got a chicken. I'm gonna sprinkle on a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan. Is it Parmesan? Oh, see, Lisa corrects me, he corrects me, and I need correcting on that. So you can add some pistachio nuts to it because that's kind of a green nut. I think of it as a green nut. And then avocado. This is my green salad. So, perfect. You guys, we're gonna enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy it when you make it. So, dinner's ready, babe.
Great, I'm hungry.
Okay. Make sure you get some green beans and some of these luscious. My veggies always sink to the bottom.
Yeah, the heavy stuff does.
I don't know why.
Oh,
and I'm hoping I didn't put on too much dressing. That's always a... There we go. And I've got some extra Parmesan cheese here for you, if you need any. Okay, we got a lot of goodness in here, babe. Okay, we're gonna eat. Good. See you guys later. Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. You can check out the recipes. Go to Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. Let me know your thoughts and comments or any questions. I will do my best to answer it. So I hope you have a chance to make the salad, and let me know what your combination you came up with for your green salad. So anyway, enjoy gathering around the table. Bye.